In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your garage door opener remote when it's not working or responding, covering sensor, battery, and programming issues. First, check the remote's battery. A weak or dead battery is often the cause. Replace it with a fresh battery and test the remote again. Next, make sure there's nothing blocking the safety sensors near the garage door tracks. Dirt, spider webs, or objects can block the sensors and prevent the door from opening. Clean the sensors with a soft cloth. If the remote still doesn't work, try reprogramming it. Locate the Learn or Program button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually found on the back or side. Press this button once. A light may blink indicating it's in programming mode. Within 30 seconds, press a button on your remote. The light should blink or stay solid to confirm the remote is programmed. Test the remote to see if it works. If you have multiple remotes, repeat the programming process for each one. Also, check if the remote's buttons are stuck or damaged. Clean around them and press each button firmly. Sometimes interference from other devices can affect the remote signal. Try moving closer to the garage door opener to test. If none of these steps fix the issue, the remote might be faulty, or the opener's receiver could be damaged. In this case, consider replacing the remote or calling a professional technician. Following these steps should get your garage door opener remote working properly again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.